In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom right corner. And just take a picture after adjusting all of those keyboard options. It will be automatically added to your message, so all you need to do now is send it. But here's what most people miss, because after tapping on the same button, you can obviously scroll to tap on all of those photos and send them. But what happens if your photos aren't visible here? In this case, hit Photos at the bottom left corner and accessing Photo app through your messages, pick all of your photos. Then choose Done at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice by hitting Done again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!